So the next step is to play around with some code and see if we can build up all the constituent parts for a function that would check a user's PIN for acceptable characters. So I'm going to start off by creating a variable 1234 called PIN and another one called acceptable characters, and all acceptable characters can be all the numbers. Right, so I want something that's going to look at each and every individual element of PIN. So that's that for loop. So I can say for character in PIN and then do something. Well, now I'm going to use that not in syntax we learned earlier. Character not in acceptable characters. And then what do I want it to do? Well, we'll just do a little print statement for now. Print character plus is not accepted. We're going to go ahead and run this code and see what happens. And if I've done everything correctly, nothing happens. So let's make a little alteration. Change that to an X and run it again. X is not accepted. So that's good. So the basic idea here is working. Let's change that back to 4. Let's have something a bit cleverer than just a print statement in here. Let's start off by taking a new variable to sort of PIN accepted. And we'll start off by saying that is true. And then instead of this print statement here, I can have PIN accepted equals false. And right down at the end here, I'll just do a quick print PIN accepted. Let's run this and see what happens now. Down here, I get printed true. And if I run it again with X in there, I get printed false. Right, you should now be able to take this here and use it in a function where the PIN is passed into the function as an argument, where acceptable characters is passed into the function as an argument as well, where instead of a print PIN accepted, we just return PIN accepted. So give that a go, writing that function in Python, and in the next tutorial there'll be the code visible for you to have a look at in case you've made any mistakes.